Well, we're at the Phil Hardberger Park in the heart of San Antonio, and we're going to walk over the land bridge.
The Phil Hardberger Park Conservancy opened to the public in 2010 and receives an estimated 1,000 visitors per day on average. The Conservancy is a 330-acre urban park in north-central San Antonio, offering over 8 miles of hiking and biking trails. The Skywalk is a 1,000-foot-long elevated pathway leading to the Tobin Land Bridge.
Total 107 acres.
The eponymous project was encouraged by former San Antonio Mayor Phil Hardberger as an example of urban ecology. It also serves as an important greenbelt as the acreage exists over the Edwards Aquifer Recharge Zone, the primary source of San Antonio water. The occasional passenger jet overhead reminded us that this urban oasis existed within a large city. In the latter half of 2025, the Tobin Land Bridge within Phil Hardberger Park received the ASLA Honor Award by the American Society of Landscape Architects. Kind of a big deal. It acknowledged a semblance of symbiosis between modernity and nature.
And one in the tree.
Additional amenities within the park grounds include basketball courts, butterfly garden, dog parks, geology trail, Volker Historic Homestead, and wildlife blinds.
We're out here at Phil Hardberger Park at the Ecology Center. It's a wonderful, cool Saturday afternoon, and the temperature is perfect.
Live oak, ash, juniper, Texas persimmon, sage, acanthus, various grasses, cacti, and yuccas are all found within the park. Wildlife includes coyotes, white-tailed deer, gray foxes, cottontail rabbits, skunks, squirrels, opossums, armadillos, and more. A couple of buzzards perched on top of the lamp. Bird life includes cardinals, blue jays, mockingbirds, dove, woodpeckers, wrens, and the red-tailed hawk. The Robert L.B. Tobin Land Bridge extends approximately 175 feet across Wurzbach Parkway, connecting both sides of Hardberger Park. Named for its largest private donor, the land bridge is the nation's first mixed-use wildlife crossing.
So we just visited one of the most scenic and thoughtfully designed parks in the heart of San Antonio, Phil Hardberger Park, and walked over the Skywalk, which is amazing, and then also on our way back crossed the land bridge. And just to give you an idea, we parked in off of Blanco Road, so we're over here. We took the trail down over the land bridge and then walked down through the Savannah Restoration to the location off of Northwest Military Highway to the Ecology Center, and saw more wildlife here than we've seen on any of our hikes in the hill country. Beautiful vegetation and views. It's a must-do.
During our hike through the Conservancy, we encountered families, couples, joggers, dog walkers, and cyclists from every walk of life. All seemed to relish this wonderful park.